Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking this video. You can click on the subscribe button so you get subscribed to my channel. And you can also click on the notify button, that's the bell sign, so you get notified when I have new videos up. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make ChinChin. It's Christmas and usually I give the gift of food, and what other gift can I give than to give the gift of ChinChin? So ChinChin is a Nigerian snack. It's just like if you've seen my mandazi video, then it's like mandazi, but it's more crunchy, and yeast is not used in this recipe. ChinChin is very versatile in Nigerian parties and also in African parties in general, and it's something that you can give during this Christmas season. Before we go ahead with the tutorial, let's start with a list of ingredients.